Welcome. In this class, we are going to do some sample examples related to trigonometry. Okay, first one. If tan theta plus sin theta equal to m and tan theta minus sin theta equal to n, then prove that m square minus n square equal to 4 into square root of m n. The question is tan theta plus sin theta equal to m and tan theta minus sin theta equal to n. We have to prove m square minus n square equal to 4 into root of m into n. Solution of this problem. Okay. In this problem, for getting the solution, first we will solve the left hand side and right hand side. Okay. First take the left hand side. Here the left hand side is m square minus n square. Okay. Also we know that or given m equal to tan theta plus sin theta. That is m square is tan theta plus sin theta the whole square plus minus the value of n is tan theta minus sin theta. Okay, that is we are substituting the values of m and n. Next is removing the bracket. Here the first term is of the form tan theta plus sin theta the whole square, that is of the form a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square. We know that a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. That is by substituting this formula here, we get here tan theta plus sin theta the whole square, that is tan square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 tan theta sin theta minus the second time becomes tan theta. This is of the form a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, that is tan square theta minus 2 tan theta sin theta plus sin square theta. Okay, that's equal to tan square theta and minus tan square theta get cancels. Sin square theta minus sin square theta get cancels. The remaining is 2 tan theta sin theta minus of minus, that is plus 2 tan theta sin theta. 2 tan theta sin theta plus 2 tan theta sin theta, that is equal to 4 tan theta sin theta. Okay, so the LHS is 4 tan theta sin theta. Then we take the RHS. Okay, RHS is 4 into root of m n. 4 root of m n. Okay, also this is equal to 4 into square root of the value of m is tan theta plus sin theta. Tan theta plus sin theta into tan theta minus sin theta. Simplifying we get this is of the form a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. This is of the form a plus b into a minus b. Also we know that a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Using this identity we get 4 into square root of what? Tan square theta minus sin square theta. Also we know that tan theta is, for getting the answer, we take tan theta as sin theta by cos theta, that is 4 into sin square theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, this is equal to 4 into square root of sin. Here we are taking sin square as common factor, that is sin square theta into 1 minus or 1 by cos square theta minus 1. Okay, equal to 4 into square root of sin square theta into, we know that 1 by cos theta is sec theta, isn't it? 1 by cos theta equal to sec theta. Therefore 1 by cos square theta becomes sec square theta minus 1, that is 4 into square root of sin square theta into sec square theta minus 1 is what? It is tan square theta. That is, we know the identity sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. From this, sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. Okay, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Okay, that is equal to 4 into square root of sin square theta is sin theta and tan square theta, square root of tan square theta is tan theta, that is 4 sin theta tan theta. Taking this equation as 1 and this as 2. Okay, see, for getting the solution we will compare 1 and 2. Here the RHS of 1 and the RHS of 2 are same, so the LHS are clearly equal, isn't it? That is m square, since RHS of 1 and 2 are equal, LHS of 1 and 2 are equal. Okay, therefore m square minus n square equal to 4 into root of mn. Hence it is proved. Okay. See second one. If cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta, then prove that cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 sin theta. Solution of the problem given cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta. Squaring on both sides, we get cos theta plus sin theta the whole square equal to root 2 cos theta the whole square. Okay, squaring cos theta plus sin theta the whole square equal to root 2 cos theta the whole square. The left hand side is of the form a plus b the whole square. It is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta equal to, see, root 2 square is 2 and cos theta the whole square is cos square theta. By rearranging this equation, we get 2 cos theta sin theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, that is 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta is cos square theta and this sin square theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, this is of the form a square minus b square, that is, and we will split this term like this. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Okay, that is cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, that's equal to, given cos theta plus sin theta is root 2 cos theta. Therefore, this term becomes root 2 cos theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, that's equal to, or 2 cos theta sin theta, 2 cos theta sin theta equal to then cos theta sin theta equal to cos theta minus sin theta equal to 2 cos theta sin theta divided by root 2 cos theta. Okay, then 2 and 2, root 2 will cancels and the remaining is root 2. Cos theta get cancels and sin theta. Okay, that is cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 sin theta. Hence the result is true. Okay. Next one, solve tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 equal to 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. Solution, take the LHS as LHS equal to tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Okay, for getting the solution, first we convert 1. We know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Okay, using this identity we will rewrite this 1 like this. That is tan theta plus sin theta, tan theta plus sec theta minus sec square theta minus tan square theta divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Okay, see, we know that a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b, and here this term is of the form a square minus b square, and we can split sin square theta minus tan square theta as sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta. Okay, that is tan theta plus sec theta minus sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta. Okay, divided by denominator is tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Okay, see, in the numerator tan theta plus sec theta is a common term in both of these two terms. Take this as common, tan theta plus sec theta into 1 minus sec theta minus tan theta. Okay, divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. See, these two terms are same. 1 minus sec theta, minus into minus plus, 1 minus sec theta plus tan theta. See, tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. These two terms get cancels and the remaining is tan theta plus sec theta. Okay, also we know that tan theta is sin theta by cos theta and sec theta is 1 by cos theta. Taking cos theta as LCM, you will get sin theta plus 1. Okay, this is the RHS, 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta equal to RHS. Hence we prove. Okay. See another example. Find the value of sin square 45 degree plus cos square 45 degree plus tan square 30 degree. Solution. You have to find the value of sin square 45 degree plus cos square 45 degree plus tan square 30 degree. Okay. We know the values of sin 45, cos 45, tan 30. Using the trigonometric table, what is the value? Sin 45, it is 1 by root 2. Okay. So, 1 by root 2 whole square plus cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 the whole square plus tan 30 is 1 by root 3. One by root 2 the whole square is 1 by 2. Here it's 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 3 square or root 3 square is 3. 1 by 3. This 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Taking LCM 6. 2 into 3 6. Numerator is 3 plus 3 plus 2. Okay. Is equal to 8 by 6 equal to 4 by 3. Okay. Therefore, the value of sin square 45 degree plus cos square 45 degree plus tan square 30 degree is equal to 4 by 3. Next one. If tan square theta plus sec theta equal to 5, find cos theta. Given tan square theta plus sec theta equal to 5. We know that sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Using this identity, tan square theta is what? Sec square theta minus 1. So, tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1 plus sec theta equal to 5. Then, on rearranging this equation, sec square theta plus sec theta minus 1 minus 5 equal to 0. That is sec square theta plus sec theta minus 6 equal to 0. This is a quadratic in sec theta or ax square plus bx plus c form, and the values of sec theta are 3 minus 3 and 2. Okay. If ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, then what is the value of x, or what are the values of x? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. Using this equation, we will find the values of sec theta. Okay. So, sec theta is here the values of a. A is 1, b is 1 and c is minus 6. So, sec theta is minus b plus or minus root of b square. B square means 1 square minus 4 into a is 1 into minus 6 divided by 2 into a. Here a is 1. Therefore, sec theta is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 square is 1 minus 4 into minus 6 is plus 24 divided by 2. That's equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 25. divided by 2. It is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 25 is 5 by 2. Therefore, the values are minus 1, minus 5 by 2 and minus 1 plus 5 by 2. Minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6. Minus 6 by 2 is minus 3. And minus 1 plus 5 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. Therefore, the values are minus 3 and 2. So, the values of sec theta are minus 3 and 2. Okay. Therefore, sec theta equal to minus 3 or sec theta equal to 2. Okay. We have to find the value of cos theta. We know that cos theta is the reciprocal of sec theta. Okay. We know that cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta. Therefore, cos theta equal to 1 by minus 3 or cos theta equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Therefore, the values of cos theta are minus 1 by 3 or 1 by 2. Clear? See another example. If a equal to 30 degree, verify that cos 3a equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Solution of this problem. Given a equal to 30 degree. First take the LHS. LHS equal to cos 3a. That's equal to cos 3 into a is 30 degree. 30 degree. 3 into 30 degree it is 90 degree. It's equal to cos 90 degree. Also we know that cos 90 is 0. Okay. So the value is 0. Therefore LHS is equal to 0. Now consider the RHS. RHS equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. That is equal to 4 cos cube a is 30 degree minus 3 cos 30 degree, which is equal to 4 into, we know that cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2 whole cube minus 3 into, again cos 30, it is root 3 by 2. Okay. Therefore, it becomes 4 into root 3 the whole cube. Root 3 the whole cube is equal to root 3 the whole cube. We can rewrite this like this: root 3 the whole square into root 3. Root 3 the whole square is 3 and root 3. 3 root 3. That is 4 into 3 root 3 divided by 2 cube. 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8 divided by 8 minus 3 root 3 by 2. Okay. So 4 by 8 is 1 by 2. 3 root 3 by 2 minus 3 root 3 by 2, which is equal to 0. Okay. See, here the LHS is 0, RHS is 0. Therefore, cos 3a equal to 4 cos cube a minus cos a, hence it is proved. Okay.